My name's Jesse with Service First Products, and today we'll be showing you the difference between the flash collar and the boot. In both the flash collar and the boot, we have two different sizes. We have a 2-inch diameter as well as a 3-inch diameter. And you can see that here with the boot as well. And the reason we have a 2-inch and a 3-inch is to accommodate all of our poles. The 2-inch diameter is for the 20-foot sectional pole, and the 3-inch diameter is for our other poles, including our 25-foot sectional, 30-foot sectional, and telescoping poles. One of the biggest differences between the flash collar and the boot is their material. As you can see, the flash collar is made of aluminum, and the boot is made of rubber. The purpose for the flash collar is to cover up the cement base and is an aesthetic piece. The purpose of the boot is to keep water outside of the ground sleeve. If you purchase both of these items, you can use the flash collar on the outside and the boot on the inside. The flash collar maintaining the aesthetic of your pole, and the boot maintaining that waterproof seal for your ground sleeve. Once you have the boot and the flash collar installed, slide in your pole as you normally would into the ground sleeve. Once you have the pole inside the ground sleeve, slide the boot down onto the ground sleeve till it's snug. Then do the same with the flash collar. If you have any further questions about any of your products, feel free to call, email, or message us on our website, and our awesome customer service team would be happy to help you.